Good morning, students. Now, ZW type of sex determination. ZW type of sex determination occurs in birds. Normally, in last class, we learned sex determination in human beings. Human beings, the male producing two types of gametes. One gamete with the X chromosome as a sex chromosome. Another one gamete has Y chromosome as a sex chromosome. So, the human male is heterogametic organism because human male producing two types of gametes. In human female, homogametic organism because the human female producing similar type of gametes. That is, all the gametes are produced in female has X chromosome as a sex chromosome. The next one is ZW type of sex determination in birds. Normally, birds is under the Aves category, is actually vertebrates. Vertebrates in ZZ chromosome is actually present in male, and ZW chromosome are present in female birds. Here, the male producing similar type of gametes. So, male is homogametic organism in birds, but in female producing two types of gametes. One gamete with Z chromosome as a sex chromosome, another one gamete has W chromosome as a sex chromosome. So, the female is heterogametic organism in birds and the male is homogametic organisms in male. So, male in birds. Actually, homogametic means nothing but the organism produce all the gamete in similar types, means that is homogametes. The organism produce two different gametes, that is the heterogametic organisms. Okay. Then how sex determination occurs in birds? Normally, birds producing two types of gametes, that is ZW and ZZ and ZW. Okay. Then the male bird are crossed with female bird. The male bird contain ZZ as a sex chromosome and the female bird contain ZW as a sex chromosome. Actually, this is parents. Autosomes are present. Autosomes plus sex chromosome. Autosome plus sex chromosome. During gamete formation, one gamete, it produces two types of gametes. For our consideration, it produces two types of gametes, means that is gamete. Then it produces autosome plus one Z chromosome as a sex chromosome in one gamete, autosome plus Z chromosome as a sex chromosome in another one gamete in male. But in female, autosome plus Z chromosome as a sex chromosome and autosome plus W chromosome act as a sex chromosome. So, during fertilization, one male gamete fuses with the female at producing capital A autosome plus ZZ, and another one male gamete fuses with the female gamete autosome plus ZW, and the male gamete fuses with the female gamete autosome plus ZZ, and another one male and female means it autosome plus ZW. So, this is actually what? Male. Autosomes is represented as capital A or maybe small a. So, a nickname for the autosomes A. Then here ZW means what? Female. Then ZZ male. Here female. So, here also in birds also sex determination 50% for the male sex and the 50% for the female sex. But in here in birds, the sex is determined by the female. In human beings, Drosophila, his sex is determined by the male, but here female sex chromosome only determining the sex. For example, W sex chromosome in the female, it fuses with male Z chromosome, means that is ZW, that is female. Then the W sex chromosome in the female fuses with male Z chromosome, that is produce a female. So male and female sex determination in birds occurs in the female. So female birds only is determining the sex of the child. Normally human, male only determining the sex of the child. In our society, normally female only blamed for the sex of the child, but it is not exactly true. Male only in human beings determining the sex of the child, because male only producing two types of gamete, that is one gamete contain X chromosome and another one gamete contain Y chromosome. In human beings, male only determining the sex of the child, but in birds, female only determining the sex of the child. Okay. Next, sex determination in human honeybees. So, sex determination in human beings, sex determination in Drosophila melanogaster, that is fruit fly, and sex determination in birds. And next one is sex determination in honeybees. So here is entirely different. Normally, whether male or female only determining the sex of the child. But in here, the honeybee sex is determined by the chromosome number. Whether the organism haploid, it become one sex. The other organism is diploid, means the organism become another sex. So here the sex is determined by the number of chromosomes, or the ploidy, the diploid or haploid only is determining the sex of the organism, sex of the new organism, sex of the progeny. So how is sex determination in human, particularly honeybees, is taking place? So normally honeybees is an important insects because it is useful for pollination, and it collection honey also. It is medicine, Siddha and Ayurveda, important medicine for the health aspects. So the particular honeybees is actually two honeybees are present. One is female and another one is male. The female honeybees is some female are queen or some female are worker. The worker honeybees and female queen honeybees are female only. The queen also female and the worker honeybee also female. So the female contain 32 chromosome in their cells. So in diploid organism, the diploid female honeybee contain 32 chromosome in their cell. But in a male is otherwise known as drone. Male is drone is contain only 16 chromosome. So normally, according to the evolution, according to the genetic studies, normally a single species contains same number of chromosomes. For example, Homo sapiens species means the male also 46 chromosome, the Homo sapiens female also 46 chromosome. But here is different. The female contains 32 chromosome and the male contains 16 chromosome, only 16 chromosomes. And how is sex determination taking place in the honeybee? Listen, normally female, we know female contain 32 chromosome, that is female honeybee crossed with male. Male means what? Male contain how many? Male contain only 16 chromosome. Male contain only 16 chromosome. Okay, male contain only 16 chromosome. The female contain parents. Actually, this is parent. Female contain 32 chromosome and the male contain only 16 chromosome. Okay. The female producing gametes. Normally during gamete formation, which type of cell division occurs? During sexual reproduction, during gamete formation, which type of cell division? That is meiosis or meiotic. After meiosis division, after meiotic division, the female producing gametes. The gamete contain how many chromosomes? Only 16. Because after meiosis division in 11th standard, we have learned after meiosis division, chromosome number reduced into half. So only the meiosis, otherwise known as reduction division. So after meiosis division, the female honeybee producing two types of gametes. One gamete with 6 chromosome is another gamete also which is 16 chromosomes. 16 and 16 are 6. 16 and 16 chromosomes are present. Then male also producing two types of gametes, but here the mitosis cell division takes place. Normally we know the meiosis only during gamete formation it takes place, but here during gamete formation, male after mitosis division only it produces the gamete. Here it is different. Generally sexual reproduction means during gamete is in higher organism meiosis only occurs, but here the mitosis process takes place. So after mitosis division, the male organism produces two types of gametes. All the gametes contain 16 chromosome. So only the mitosis is otherwise known as equational division. The chromosome is same to the parents, that is mitosis. Chromosomes is reduced into half means that is meiosis. What is this? This is gamete. Then the female gamete fertilized with the male. The female gamete fertilized with the male means 16 plus 16, 32 chromosome. 32 means what? The female organisms are produced. Then another female and male gamete produced means the female gamete fuses with the male gamete means that is 32. Here also the female organisms or female progeny are produced. And without fertilization, after fertilization the male and the female and male gamete fused. After fertilization the female organisms are produced, but without fertilization the female gamete is directly without fertilization is developed into a what? That is male gamete. Normally female gamete contain 16 chromosomes. The 16 chromosomes are directly developed into the male. So without fertilization, So without fertilization, the female gamete. So normally male and female gamete fuses means the female organisms are produced, female progeny are produced. Without fertilization, the female gamete actually directly develop into a male. So normally female gamete contain how many chromosomes? 16. Male contain how many chromosomes? 16. So female gamete without the involvement of male gamete, without the involvement of male organism, the female gamete is developed directly into a male organism. So here fertilization only determining the sex. So the fertilization occurs means what is the fertilization? The fusion of male and female gamete. The fertilization occurs means the organism become female. So fertilization not occurs. Only the female gamete, only without fertilization, is directly developed into what? Male. So here fertilization only determining the sex of the organism. When the fertilization takes place, the organism become female. So without fertilization means the organisms become male. So here and sex determined by the fertilization. Without fertilization means that is male are drawn, and with fertilization that is what? Female. So here chromosome number only determining the sex. So the chromosome 32 means that actually female, and chromosome 16 means actually a male. So what is the difference between queen and worker? Means the same content chromosome, but in after production the workers, in some of the best worker is eaten a royal jellies or a good quality food, and the queen is given the good quality food to the some of the female. So after eating good quality of food, and some of the female or some of the worker is developed into a queen. So queen and worker same female, but during lifestyle habitat the worker after development is developed into a queen. Okay, so here the female is 32 chromosome and the male is 16 chromosome. After meiosis division it produces 2 gametes, and after here mitosis division it produces 2 gametes. When the male and female gamete fuses means the fertilization, and after fertilization the female organism only are formed. Only without fertilization the female egg or the female gamete is directly developed into a male. The process is known as parthenogenesis. Parthenocarpy term we already studied in first lesson. So parthenocarpy is nothing but without fertilization the ovary turn into fruits, means that is parthenocarpy, that is seedless fruits like banana. Without fertilization the ovary turn into fruits, means that is parthenocarpy. Here without fertilization the female gamete is directly developed into male, means the process is parthenogenesis. So in honeybees and without fertilization the female lays eggs are directly developed into a male. So without fertilization the process is parthenogenesis. Then parthenocarpy is a plants category. The ovary is converted into fruit without fertilization. Okay. Then another one term is a simple definition. Male do not have a father. Here listen. The male how we formed? The female gamete is directly developed into a male. So father of this male, no male, no father, because the male is directly without fertilization developed from the female. So female producing gamete, the gamete without involvement of male gamete is female gamete is directly developed into a male. The male normally not contain a father, because the female only develop into the female gamete only develop into a male. So without fertilization, without the male, so the male normally do not have a father. Male do not have a father because female only gamete only directly develop into a son, and thus cannot have a son. So cannot have a son means the male is 16. After fertilization it produce female. For example, the male, here this is male, after fertilization is developed into a female only. For example, this is male, it is 16 chromosome. After fertilization in female gamete, this is male gamete, imagine, and this is female gamete. It is 16, the female gamete with 16. So 16 plus 16, 32. 32 means what? The female. 32 means what? The female. So the male fused with the female gamete only, it producing the female child. So not producing the male child. So male is not contain a father because the male is developed from the mother gamete directly without involvement of the father, and the male producing the female organism only, not the male organism, because male gamete is not developed into a male. So male after fertilization with the female gamete, it produces a female child only, is not a male child. So then only the male do not have a father and does not have a son, thus cannot have a son. So son also is not produced in the particular male. And next one, but have a grandfather and a grandson. So grandfather means is actually male. Male is developed from direct female. So in the female, how the female is developed? Male and female gamete only. The male, how this female is produced? Male gamete with 16 chromosome, the female gamete with 16 chromosome, that is female gamete, and this is male gamete. Female gamete fuse to form a female. So the male is not have a son, only daughter are produced, and no father, because the female only is directly developed into a male female gamete. So the male not contain a father and not contain a son, but the male is developed from the female. The female has father and mother. So the male not contain a father, but the male contain grandfather. Okay, the male the grandfather and the grandson, even in the male after fertilization producing grandson also. Okay, so the male is developed directly from the female gamete. Here sex is determined by the chromosome number. Whether the organism is diploid means that is female, the organism is haploid means that is male. So a female organism producing the gamete after meiosis division, the gamete is directly developed into a male without fertilization. The term is parthenogenesis. The male is not have a father, because the female only directly develop into a male producing the gamete. The gamete is directly developed into a male, and the male also not producing the male child. So no son for the particular male, but the male contain grandfather, because in the female is developed from male and female. So in the female contain father, this is actually father. So the male mother and grandfather. The male contain mother also, the male contain grandfather also, and the male contain producing a female young one, but then the grandson also produced. The male after fertilization and after one generation, in the female organism produced in the first generation, the female again gamete formed, and the gamete fuses means the grandsons are produced, but the male contain grandson. The grandfather also present and grandson also present. The immediate father is absent for the particular male, only immediately producing the female child. Okay, this is actually sex determination in honeybee. In honeybee, sex is determined by the haploid and diploid organism. The other organism is diploid means it is actually female. The organism is haploid means actually male. Okay, here is different sex, no male and no female is determining the sex. Here chromosome number itself determining the sex. So this is another variety of sex determination. Okay. So next one is mutation. Mutation is nothing but, in simple terms, the alternation of the gene, the arrangement of genes. The genes are altered, genes are modified, genes are inverted, or other factors are mutation. Thus, sudden changes in the DNA sequence, sudden changes in the gene sequence, sudden changes in the chromosome sequence. Maybe one gene is extra added, or maybe one gene is deleted. So the type of sudden changes in the DNA, sudden changes in the chromosome, sudden changes in the gene is known as mutation. Due to this mutation, alteration of DNA sequence, the DNA sequence totally altered. Example, one DNA which contain one particular character or gene, and the gene inherit the particular character, means due to this mutations genes are deleted. Due to this deletion, the gene character is not expressed. So the genetic disorder will take place. So in mutation, various mutations are present in the society, in the organisms. One, deletion, insertion, duplication, and due to this chromosomal abnormalities, chromosomal aberrations, genetic disorders are may caused. The aberration means due to mutation changes, due to gene changes, the chromosomal disorder is caused. The chromosomal disorder only, the aberrations. And in our studies, the point mutation is single base pair. In a single base pair, the mutation takes place. How? What is deletion and what is insertion? One by one we will learn. So in deletion means it's nothing but, for normally listen, that is actually DNA. We know. In DNA, adenine base pair with thymine, cytosine base pair with guanine, adenine base pair with thymine, thymine, adenine also present, base pair. So this is actually DNA, the base pairs are present, adenine, thymine on base pair, cytosine, guanine on base pair, adenine, thymine and thymine, adenine at base pair. So the double bond is hydrogen bond, here triple hydrogen bond. In next lesson, we will deal one by one, that is a DNA structure, all the things. So DNA contain that nitrogen bases, that is nucleotides in collection form. Due to this deletion, one particular segment of DNA is deleted. For example, cytosine guanine is deleted. Cytosine guanine is deleted, instead of the adenine and thymine are formed. So the DNA sequence is changed due to this deletion, or maybe formed, or maybe deleted permanently. Suppose sometimes deleted permanently means the particular character is missed in the organisms. So this phenomenon is deletion. And insertion means, for example, here cytosine guanine, for example, present. In between adenine, thymine and cytosine guanine, another nucleotide are inserted, like adenine and thymine. So due to this insertion of base pair also, it causes some diseases. Changes in the DNA sequence, it causes some diseases. And duplication, sometimes, for example, adenine, thymine, thymine, adenine, again one time, same thymine, adenine is duplicated. Even another one time also, same the thymine, adenine gets duplicated. So deletion means one base pair is deleted, or maybe entire gene will be deleted, or maybe entire chromosome also deleted. And insertion means the genes are inserted another one time, or maybe new genes are added due to these changes. The mutation is nothing but, in simple term, sudden changes in the DNA. Suddenly the DNA, a part of the DNA is changed, or maybe the part is deleted, either maybe the part is modified into another part, maybe another new base pair is added in between the base pairs, or maybe inversion also, the base pairs is inverted. Adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine is inverted into cytosine, guanine and adenine, thymine also takes place. So these, due to this deletion, insertion, duplication and frame shift mutation. Frame shift mutation is nothing but frame is shifted. For example, adenine, thymine is normal frame base pair of DNA. Sometimes the adenine, thymine is shifted to thymine, adenine. Again, so due to this changes, shift of the particular frame, the organism's characters also is affected. So mutation, sudden changes in the gene, sudden changes in the DNA, sudden changes in the chromosome. Due to this sudden change, the various characters are modified. Due to this, variations are caused. Chromosomal disorder, anomalies, chromosomal anomalies, aberrations also caused. So in point mutation, a single base pair, point means nothing but in a DNA, one particular base pair is deleted, or particular base pair is added or inserted. So a particular base pair is deleted means that is point mutation, single base pair. Base pair means adenine, thymine, one base pair. cytosine, guanine, one base pair, thymine, adenine, one base pair. So one base pair is addition, added or deleted or inserted, maybe anything happen. Due to this, the single base pair is modified. The particular condition is point mutation. Various diseases are present due to this mutation. Even cancer also. Cancerous cells normally due to mutation only the cancerous cells are developed. Normally normal cell which contain one character, that is contact inhibition, which contact the nearby cells, means it inhibit the cell division, it stops the cell division. But the property is missed in the cancerous cells. Then the cancerous cells continuously grow, abnormally cell divide and continuously grow to form a tumor like structure. So uncontrolled cell division leads to tumor or cancer. Okay, that actually cancerous cells normally have mutation. So due to this mutation only, the cells slowly developed or converted into cancerous cells. Okay, this is actually mutation. And then next one, mutagens. Mutagens is nothing but the agent which cause mutation. The substance which cause mutation means, substance which cause stimulate the mutation means, that is mutagens. For example, physical mutagens are available like X-rays, ultraviolet rays, gamma rays, various rays. Due to these rays, the cell's DNA sequence are modified. Continuous exposure to X-rays, our cell DNA may be modified. Due to this modification, maybe cancer may come, skin variety of disorder may become, maybe in next generation some genetic disorder also may come. Okay, so mutagens is nothing but the agent which cause mutation. Like physical agents are present like rays, X-rays and alpha rays and ultraviolet rays, and chemically some chemicals are inducing the mutagens like mustard gas, mustard oil, methyl bromide, various gases also which cause mutation. Some viruses also which cause mutation. Even some viruses also cause mutation, sudden changes in the DNA. So mutation is caused by various factors like physical, chemical and biological factors. These all the factors which cause mutation, which cause sudden changes in the DNA, which cause sudden changes in the chromosome, that is known as mutagens. Okay. Due to this mutation, in some organism, one chromosome is deleted. For example, human beings contain how many chromosomes? In each cell, 46 chromosomes. Due to this mutation, one chromosome is deleted. So the human contain only 45 chromosomes. That is actually genetic disorder. In next section, what is meant by genetic disorder, we will learn. So due to this mutation, genes also modified, variety of genetic diseases are formed, and skin cancer, cancerous cells normally due to mutation only cancerous cells are formed, cancer will form. So mutation, sudden changes in the DNA. The changes is caused by various factors. The factors which are to be mutagens. Okay, then